Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a rainbow inspired hair on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to save all of the colors that I have here. So save color, save color, save color, save color, and save color. Okay. So we're going to first of all use these bangs. We're going to color the first one red, the second one orange, and the third one yellow. Then we'll be using these bangs. You can't really see them, but you'll see a little bit of it. Okay, I think I'm just going to find other bangs, because the one I used to use is non-existent anymore. Don't know why Dress to Impress removed a lot of stuff. I think I might just use this honestly for the green. I know it looks kind of weird, but hopefully it will come together at the end. I think I might just do green one for the buns, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. So I'm just going to use this one instead. Let me find the hair first. This one, I'm going to color it green actually for this one. And then I'm going to select this hair. Where is it? This one, and I'm going to color this one blue, and lastly I will color this one purple, like so. And that's how you can create a super colorful rainbow hair on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!